Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. Let me show you how to whip up an eye-catching birthday poster in Canva. Click the Create button to start a new project. In the search bar, type Poster and press Enter. Choose the landscape orientation for your poster. Next, browse through the available templates and select the one you want to use. This will open your poster in the editor. Type birthday and select this template. Click on the text box to edit the message as needed. You can change the font, color, and size to match your style. Continue customizing until you're satisfied with the design. Click the arrow icon to expand this section and view additional details or options within the interface. Click the Add button, then select New to create a new item. Enter your details and make sure to save your changes before proceeding. To resize the window, click and drag any corner inward until it reaches your preferred size. This allows you to make it smaller easily. Enter the name of the person in the designated text field. To adjust the image size, select the image, then drag the corner handles inward to make it smaller. This allows you to fit additional elements more easily within your layout. Next, to add a new element, go to the toolbar and click on the Elements tab. Browse through the available options such as shapes, icons, or lines, and select the one you need. Click to add your chosen element to the canvas, then drag and resize it as necessary to position it where you want. This process customizes your design by personalizing text, resizing images, and incorporating new elements. After you finish your design, simply click the Share button located in the top right corner of your screen. This will open the sharing options, allowing you to choose how you want to distribute your design. You can share directly with others through email, copy a link, or adjust permissions so others can view or edit your project. Select your preferred sharing method and your design will be accessible to your intended audience immediately. Click the Download button to save your design. Choose PNG for a high-quality image. To improve clarity, maximize the size before downloading. For professional printing, select PDF Print as the file type. Then choose the CMYK color profile to ensure accurate color reproduction. Once your options are set, click Download again. This process gives you the best quality for sharing digitally or for printing professionally. You just learned how to design an awesome birthday poster in Canva. Like and subscribe for more creative tips.